Hello friends, welcome back to the best DLR set series by PrepZone. We have started this series a couple of weeks ago. I think we have already completed 21 good level sets. My idea is to give you as much of free content as I can give with unique concepts in each and every set. These are our batch feedbacks. So if in case you are facing any issues with any section or maybe the full course, the registrations for batch 2 are ongoing with very limited seats. So you may want to have a look at this. I think even on the YouTube playlist, you will be able to find a session of the details for the batch 2. So just have a look at if in case you need to discuss anything with respect to your preparation, you can give me a call. So let's move on to today's set, which is a very interesting set. So this set tells me something that this is a story of murderer जहाँ मुझे पता करना है who is the murderer, whom did he murder, like who is the victim, what is the motive for the murder and what was the location. So pause the video, try to solve this set and comment your time taken and your answers and please keep on giving me feedback on how it is and keep on sharing this with your friends. Okay, so let's have a look at this question. The question says that five authors have just sent their latest murder stories to the publishers, so we've all look forward to reading them soon. In the meantime, however, we intend to completely spoil your enjoyment of the novels by inviting you to solve the problem of who murder whom, as well as motive involved and the location of the story. Okay, which means these are the four parameters that I need to figure out. और इन सब में कुछ कुछ वैल्यू गिवन है राइट दिस इज द मैप दैट अ पर्सन इज मर्डर्ड एंड आई हैव टू फिगर आउट कि किसने किसको मारा है राइट दीज आर द विक्टिम्स these are the five motives and these are the locations, so it is a very good set. It is a 4x4 mapping ka set which is very hard to draw. So here I will teach you and I will help you know how to make a 4x4 table. Like 2x2 is very easy, but how do you make a 4x4 table? This is a very unique concept. ठीक है. So we have certain information that is given to us and then we have some questions asked. Who was the murderer of mother? Friend was murdered for which motive, etc., etc., which means in fact first question is how many combinations can be uniquely determined. So to solve the first question, I know I will have to fill this table, only then I'll be able to do something. ठीक है. So let's start filling the table as much as we can. तो मैं एक बार यहाँ पे I will just draw the table for everyone's understanding. We had four metrics, right? So those were murderer, ठीक है. Then we had victim. Okay, so I will just write victim here. This is victim. Then we had location. At what location was this murder performed? And then we had motive. What was the intention for performing this? Okay, and each of these will have around five values, right? Okay, so I will just make a table so that then I can start putting in the values. So let me quickly make this table. I hope this is the method through which you guys would have also started, right? See, whenever you have a three dimension, you can still make that by putting a diagonal line here, then you can map it. But to make a 4x4 table, it is slightly difficult. So the easiest way is you just start using the information and then directly filling in the values. That is the easiest way to solve any 4x4 metric. ठीक है, and I think this is very important for CAT. CAT does ask you if they have to complicate things, they will ask you 4x4 or maybe 5x5 metrics only. ठीक है, so ensure that you watch this video end to end and learn how to solve a 4x4 set in the most easiest format. ठीक है, so I think yes, I have made my table. Now I will just keep on reading this information and see which piece can be figured out. Neither the butler. So the first step is to use the positive information and not the negative information. कि कौन सा नहीं आएगा ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. Step one is जो आएगा जो positive mapping है we will fill it. So point number one says neither the butler nor the plumber committed the murder. ठीक है. Murder या तो बटलर ने नहीं किया, प्लम्बर ने भी नहीं किया, which took place in Britain for the sake of an inheritance. ठीक है. So यहाँ से मुझे एटलीस्ट इतना पता है कि यार जो पहला मोटिव है इनहेरिटेंस उसका लोकेशन इज ब्रिटेन, सो आई विल जस्ट फिल दीज टू वैल्यूज. ठीक है, हियर इट हैज टू बी ब्रिटेन एंड द मोटिव फॉर दिस हैज टू बी इनहेरिटेंस as per the information number 1. And it is clear that neither the butler nor the plumber committed this. ठीक है, तो एक बार देख लेता हूँ कि मर्डरर में कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज पॉसिबल है, राइट? सो मर्डरर कैन बी ABDPS, ठीक है, इट कैन बी ABDPS, ठीक है. सिमिलरली विक्टिम्स कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? CFMPS, इट कैन बी CFPMS, CFMPS, ठीक है. मोटिव कैन बी BILPR, motive can be BI. It is very easy to write the things here so that you don't have to write and waste time. Now location can be BDFGH. So just write the first initial BDFGH, right? BDFGH. Okay. Chalo. So neither the butler nor the plumber committed this murder. So which means I cannot have a B here, nor I can have a P here, right? Okay. So I've used information number 1. Then the revenge killing did not take place in Fishguard or Dunant. ठीक है, so this is motive number 2. कि यार जो revenge वाली हुई है, this killing did not take place in Fishguard or Dunant. ठीक है, यहाँ पे F नहीं है, यहाँ पे D भी नहीं है. ठीक है, fair. The artist did not murder the partner. ठीक है, अभी I don't know artist नीचे आएगा या ऊपर आएगा, so I will hold on to this information. ठीक है, ये मुझे अभी पता नहीं है. Who did not murder the partner, who was neither the victim killed in revenge. ठीक है, revenge में यहाँ पे partner नहीं था, so I know कि I cannot have a P here. ठीक है, nor the one murdered as the result of a past struggle. ठीक है, तो past struggle वाले motive में भी ये नहीं है. ठीक है, let's hold on क्योंकि this is a negative information, I don't know. Third information is the dentist murdered a cousin, but not for revenge or love in Halifax. तो मुझे ये पता है कि रिवेंज या लव के लिए नहीं, तो रिवेंज के लिए नहीं है, सो यहाँ पे इन रो नंबर 2 आई कैन नॉट हैव एन एंट्री. प्लस इट इज गिवन कि डेंटिस्ट मर्डर्ड कहाँ पे हुआ? हेलीफैक्स में, व्हिच मींस 1 में भी नहीं होगा. सो आई हैव दिस वेरी पॉजिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज गिवन टू मी दैट द मर्डरर इज डेंटिस्ट एंड ही मर्डर्ड अ कजिन. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा कजिन. ठीक है, आई हैव यूज्ड सी आई हैव यूज्ड डी. ठीक है, डेंटिस्ट मर्डर्ड अ कजिन बट नॉट फॉर रिवेंज और लव इन हेलीफैक्स. कहाँ पे हुआ? दिस इज इन हेलीफैक्स. I could have also used the initial, but ठीक है, for the sake of everyone, I am using the full name. But I think you guys should only use the initials. And this did not. यहाँ से R is done, I is done, right? और यहाँ पे it is given कि this did not happen for love as well. Revenge तो anyways नहीं हो सकता. I've used information number 3 as well. ठीक है. Now 4th is the sister wasn't murdered in Britain or Fishguard. Britain यहाँ है, which means here I cannot have a sister. Nor Fishguard. I don't know where the Fishguard is, so let's wait. And the victim in Fishguard wasn't the one who was killed for the love of someone. ठीक है, तो again a negative information. It says कि जहाँ पे love होगा वहाँ पे Fishguard नहीं हो सकता. So I don't know Fishguard कहाँ होगा, right? Let's wait. Then the butler did not murder the partner. We don't know butler का है, partner का है. So this is again a negative information. Point number 5. In the novel in which solicitor murders someone, ठीक है, the motive is power. तो वो कह रहा है कि एक motive है power. ठीक है, so 1 2 motive is done. And जो third में power आ सकता है, क्या third में power नहीं आ सकता? Because power वाला जो motive है वो solicitor का है, and यहाँ पे dentist already हो चुका है. So I will put a 4th entry यहाँ पे. ठीक है, I will say कि here it will be solicitor. The solicitor murders someone. The motive is power. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे power भी use में हो गया. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे solicitor is also used, but did not involve the killing of a friend, which means यहाँ पे friend नहीं आ सकता. ठीक है, तो first thing यहाँ power हो गया, यहाँ पे love नहीं हो सकता. So the only thing that is remaining is B, which is blackmail. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे blackmail डाल दूंगा, which means love has to be here. ठीक है, so I think I've used information number 5 as well. मैं 5 को भी टिक कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, ये सब मैंने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. सो नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू यूज द इंफॉर्मेशन जो भी मैं यूज में ले सकता हूँ, राइट? ठीक है, करेक्ट. सो मैंने डेंटिस्ट वाला ऑलरेडी मैप्ड. अभी मुझे मैप करना है लोकेशन, मोटिव और बाकी सारी चीजें. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रिविजिटिंग ऑल द सेंटेंसेस. रिवेंज किलिंग डिड नॉट टेक प्लेस इन फिशगार्ड और डनटोन। ये मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे एफ नहीं हो सकता, डी नहीं हो सकता, बी एंड एच हो नहीं सकते। बी गया, एच इज गॉन, एफ एंड डी नहीं हो सकते, विच मींस दिस लोकेशन हैज टू बी जी। जी क्या था? जी वाज ग्रांथम, सो आई विल जस्ट राइट अ ग्रांथम हियर। ठीक है, आई यूज दिस इंफॉर्मेशन। द आर्टिस्ट डिड नॉट मर्डर द पार्टनर। अभी भी मुझे पता नहीं है कि यार आर्टिस्ट कहाँ पे होगा। ठीक है, let's use this, let's wait. Who was neither, partner was neither the victim killed in revenge. ठीक है, पार्टनर यहाँ नहीं हो सकता, नॉर द वन मर्डर्ड एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ ए पावर स्ट्रगल। मुझे ये भी पता है कि यहाँ भी पार्टनर नहीं हो सकता, राइट? विच मीन्स पार्टनर विल बी ईदर हियर और हियर। आई डोंट नो कहाँ पे होगा, बट दीज आर द ओनली टू प्लेसेस फॉर पार्टनर। ठीक है, so second, let's come to fourth, which was also remaining. The sister wasn't murdered in Britain or Fishguard. ठीक है, सिस्टर यहाँ भी नहीं है, नॉर इन फिशगार्ड, बट आई डोंट नो वेयर फिशगार्ड इज। ठीक है, so let's wait. फिशगार्ड के बारे में कैन आई यूज एनीथिंग? एंड द विक्टिम ऑफ फिशगार्ड wasn't the one who was killed for the love of someone. तो फिशगार्ड यहाँ नहीं हो सकता, the only place remaining for फिशगार्ड is this. ठीक है, if this is फिशगार्ड, this has to be done on mapped all of these values as well. ये भी सारा मैप हो गया, राइट? तो I've used this information. The butler did not murder his partner. ठीक है, correct. So now can I use any other information? The sister was not murdered in Britain. Sister यहाँ नहीं हो सकती, and Fishguard में भी नहीं हो सकती, which means here also I cannot have a sister. So I can see 3 crosses here. Cousin already यहाँ पे है. So the only information left is S, right? Sorry, S यहाँ नहीं हो सकता, F नहीं हो सकता, P नहीं हो सकता. So here I must have a mother. ठीक है. So I've also used mother information. So is there any other thing that I can use? यहाँ mother भी हो गया, right? Any other thing that I can use? I know कि यहाँ P नहीं हो सकता, but which means I can still have value क्या क्या remaining है? F P S. यहाँ पे F हो सकता है या S हो सकता है. Here F और S. Here I can have a P or S. Here I can have F और P. ठीक है. I don't know कौन सा information है. Let's wait. ठीक है. Let's see any other information that I can use. The artist did not murder the partner who was neither the victim killed in revenge. ठीक है. Revenge में partner नहीं हो सकता, नॉर द वन मर्डर्ड एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ ए पास्ट स्ट्रगल, यहाँ भी नहीं हो सकता, विच मीन्स पार्टनर कैन कम ईदर ऑन फर्स्ट और ऑन लास्ट। ठीक है, ओके ओके, आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड कि यहाँ पे पी तो नहीं हो सकता, सो इट हैज टू बी ईदर एफ और एस, राइट? करेक्ट. So let's see. The first information, have I used everything? Neither the butler nor the plumber committed the murder which took place in Britain. Okay. So I think यहाँ पे this information was given to me कि यहाँ B नहीं हो सकता, P नहीं हो सकता, D and S are gone. B नहीं हो सकता, P नहीं हो सकता, D and S are gone. So it has to be A, which is artist. ठीक है. So I have said कि यहाँ पे A है, which is artist. और यहाँ पे given था कि artist did not murder partner, which means यहाँ partner हो नहीं सकता, यहाँ partner हो नहीं सकता. So partner has to be here. ठीक है. If this is partner, this has to be sister. ठीक है. If this is sister, this has to be what? ये क्या बचा अभी यहाँ पे? आई थिंक फ्रेंड बचा, सो दिस हैज टू बी फ्रेंड. ठीक है, आई हैव यूज्ड दिस एज वेल. इज देयर एनीथिंग एल्स दैट आई कैन स्टिल यूज टू फाइनलाइज जो भी बचे हुए हैं? बटलर एंड प्लम्बर आर रिमेनिंग, राइट? सो लेट्स सी. द बटलर डिड नॉट मर्डर हिज पार्टनर, सो यहाँ बटलर हो नहीं सकता, सो बटलर हैज टू कम हियर. सो द ओनली थिंग दैट इज रिमेनिंग इज प्लम्बर. So very conveniently, I have mapped the entire 4x4 matrix. Now let's have a look at the question. How many combinations of murderer, victim, motive, and location can be uniquely determined? All the 5. Who was the murderer of mother? Mother का murderer कौन था? Solicitor. This has to be solicitor. Friend was murdered for which motive? Friend was murdered for which motive? Inheritance. The answer has to be inheritance. Then what was the motive for the murder performed in Halifax? Halifax में जो murder हुआ था उसका motive क्या था? Blackmail. So the answer for this has to be blackmail. I've completed this set. This was a very complex set that you may face. So I hope you have enjoyed this. You have learned something new. Let me know in the comment section how did you solve it and if you're learning anything new. Thank you.